If you love kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking faster, smarter, and way more fun, you're going to love this list. Today, we're diving into 25 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets you wish you discovered sooner. Simple tools that solve real problems and instantly upgrade your kitchen. And by the way, all the gadget links are waiting for you in the description below. So let's jump right in. Say goodbye to stubborn kitchen stains. This self-adhesive, heat-resistant aluminum foil creates an instant protective shield against oil splashes, heat marks, and everyday mess. Just peel, stick, and watch your kitchen transform into a cleaner, brighter, easier to maintain space, waterproof, durable, and super easy to wipe. This foil is the quick upgrade every kitchen wishes you discovered sooner. Meet the kitchen tool that turns apple prep into pure magic. With one smooth twist, this apple peeler and corer removes the peel, slices the fruit, and pops out the core in a clean spiral that's oddly satisfying to watch. No more sticky hands, uneven cuts, or time-consuming prep. This gadget does it all effortlessly. Perfect for pies, snacks, lunchboxes, or meal prep. It brings speed, precision, and fun straight to your countertop. Level up your cooking with this powerful meat tenderizer tool. Its sharp, stainless steel blades break through tough fibers instantly, helping your meat absorb marinades faster and cook more evenly. Whether it's steaks, chicken, or cutlets, this tool delivers juicier, softer, restaurant-style results with almost zero effort. A simple press, and your meals taste dramatically better. This cutting board takes meal prep to a whole new level. It comes with a built-in slide-out tray that catches chopped veggies, peels, or leftovers instantly, keeping your countertop clean and clutter-free. The surface is sturdy, knife-friendly, and perfect for all kinds of chopping. Prep faster, waste less, and enjoy a kitchen setup that finally makes sense. Make seafood prep faster and cleaner with this smart shrimp deveiner tool. With one smooth glide, it splits the shell, removes the vein, and cleans each shrimp in seconds. No mess, no hassle. Whether you're cooking a quick dinner or hosting a seafood night, this tool saves time and keeps your prep effortlessly tidy. A must-have for every kitchen. Cutting herbs just got effortless. These 5-blade herb scissors slice through cilantro, mint, basil, and spring onions in seconds, giving you perfectly even cuts without a chopping board. No mess, no hassle, just fast, flavorful prep. A tiny tool that upgrades every dish instantly. Give your produce a deeper, safer clean with this smart fruits and vegetables cleaner machine. Using advanced ion purification, it removes pesticides, dirt, and hidden residues that regular washing can't reach. Just drop it in water, press a button, and let it work. Perfect for families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants cleaner, fresher ingredients in every dish. Struggling with tight jar lids? This manual adjustable jar opener gives you a powerful grip with zero effort. Just twist to adjust, lock onto the lid, and pop it open smoothly. Simple, compact, and perfect for every kitchen. Meet the heavy-duty cleaning sponge that takes on tough stains like a pro. Made with Carborundum grit, it scrubs away burnt residues, rust spots, and stubborn grease without falling apart. Perfect for pans, stovetops, tiles, and sinks. This little powerhouse restores shine with almost zero effort. Your new secret weapon for deep cleaning. Craving perfect cafe-style crepes at home? This electric crepe maker makes it effortless. With its fast-heating non-stick surface, you get thin, golden crepes in seconds. No flipping skills required. Just dip, lift, and cook. Ideal for pancakes, rotis, wraps, and desserts. It delivers consistent results every time. Quick, fun, and mess-free. Your breakfast's just leveled up. Make your cooking cleaner and your dishes healthier with this stainless steel oil separator ladle. Its smart perforated base lets excess oil drain out instantly, leaving only the good stuff behind. Perfect for curries, broths, gravies, and fried foods, it gives you better control and a lighter finish. Durable, easy to clean, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Make every bite cleaner and easier with this handy corn cob holder. Its sharp stainless steel pins grip the cob firmly while the non-slip handles keep your fingers safe from heat, butter, and mess. Perfect for BBQs, picnics, or snack time. Simple, hygienic, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Free up precious counter space with these under-cabinet hanging hooks. They slide right onto your shelf and instantly create extra room for mugs, utensils, towels, or bags. No drilling, no tools. Just simple, smart, space-saving organization in seconds. Say goodbye to messy shells and uneven cracks. This egg cracker tool makes breakfast prep unbelievably smooth. Just place your egg inside, squeeze, and it delivers a clean, perfect split every time. No shell bits, no sticky fingers, no stress. Whether you're baking, frying, or meal prepping, this little gadget makes cracking eggs faster, cleaner, and oddly satisfying. Upgrade your sink instantly with this rotating water faucet extender. Its flexible 1080-degree swivel design lets you direct water exactly where you need it. Perfect for rinsing veggies, washing dishes, or cleaning the sink corners with zero effort. Switch between splash-free spray and powerful stream in seconds. Easy to install, leak-proof, and super convenient. This tiny attachment transforms everyday washing into smooth, mess-free workflow. Protect your countertops with a gadget that's as smart as it is stylish. This foldable silicone trivet expands instantly to hold hot pots, pans, and baking dishes. While its heat-resistant, non-slip design keeps every surface safe. When you're done, just fold it back into a compact shape and tuck it away. Lightweight, durable, and space-saving, your kitchen will love this upgrade. Add a touch of elegance and efficiency to your sink with this swan-shaped stainless steel corner filter basket. Its smart open mesh design catches food scraps while letting water flow freely, keeping your drain clean and clog-free. Rust-resistant, stable, and beautifully crafted, it fits neatly in any corner, turning a basic kitchen task into something surprisingly stylish. Here's a cleaning tool that brings power without the scratches. This non-scratch stainless steel dish brush tackles burnt pans, greasy skillets, and stubborn food bits with ease, yet stays gentle on non-stick surfaces. The ergonomic handle gives you a firm, comfortable grip, and the durable bristles don't flatten or rust over time. Whether you're scrubbing cookware, grills, or sink corners, this brush delivers deep cleaning, long life, and zero damage, a must-have upgrade for every kitchen. Baking just got a whole lot easier with this non-stick silicone dough mat. It comes printed with measurement guides, giving you perfect shapes and sizes every single time. No guessing, no mess. The surface grips your countertop, so nothing slides while you roll, knead, or cut. Easy to clean, heat resistant, and reusable. It replaces baking paper and boards effortlessly. Whether you're a pro baker or beginner, this mat makes every recipe smoother. Turn your kitchen sink into a super efficient workspace with this over-the-sink dish drying rack. It holds plates, cups, utensils, even washed veggies, while letting excess water drain directly into the sink. No wet counters, no clutter, just clean, organized functionality. Its sturdy, space-saving design instantly frees up countertop space and makes everyday kitchen tasks feel smoother and faster. Meet the kitchen upgrade that keeps your grains fresher, cleaner, and perfectly organized. This rice dispenser gives you airtight storage and one-press dispensing, so you get the exact amount you need without lifting heavy bags or spilling grains everywhere. Its clear window lets you check levels at a glance, while the moisture-proof design keeps rice, lentils, and grains in top condition. Sleek, hygienic, and incredibly convenient. Your pantry will thank you. Make peeling oranges ridiculously easy with this simple yet clever orange cutter. It slices through the peel cleanly without hurting your fingers, giving you perfect sections in seconds. No mess, no struggle, just quick, effortless citrus snacking anytime. Meet the salt dispenser that finally fixes messy seasoning. This clever container comes with a smooth, controlled pour spout that lets you sprinkle, drizzle, or measure salt exactly the way you want. No clumps, no spills, no over-seasoning disasters. Its airtight design keeps your salt dry and fresh, while the ergonomic grip makes cooking quicker, cleaner, and so much easier. Add a splash of personality to your kitchen with this adorable crab-shaped silicone spatula holder. Its non-slip claws grip your spoon or spatula firmly, keeping counters clean and mess-free while you cook. Heat-resistant, flexible, and unbelievably cute, it sits on the edge of your pan like a tiny helper. A small gadget that instantly brings charm and convenience to every meal you make. Meet the ultimate party time lifesaver. This rotating beverage dispenser with 3 spigots lets you serve different drinks at once. Juice, soda, cocktails, anything you want. Just twist, pour, and enjoy mess-free serving. Its clear body makes it easy to see what's inside, while the rotating design keeps everything within reach. Perfect for parties, family gatherings, and everyday convenience. Cleaning dishes just got way smarter with this soap dispensing palm brush. A gentle press releases the perfect amount of soap, while the firm bristles scrub away grease and grime without scratching your cookware. Its ergonomic palm-fit design makes washing faster, easier, and surprisingly satisfying. Compact, mess-free, and refillable. This little brush turns everyday dishwashing into an effortless routine. Make steaming effortless with this foldable stainless steel steamer basket. It expands to fit most pots, lifting your veggies, momos, dumplings, and eggs above the water for healthier cooking. Compact, durable, and easy to clean. Your kitchen just got smarter. Cleaning your kitchen just got so much easier with these ultra-absorbent microfiber cloths, designed to trap dust, grease, and tiny food particles. They wipe surfaces spotless without leaving streaks or scratches behind. Whether you're cleaning countertops, appliances, dishes, or glass, these cloths work faster and more efficiently than regular towels. Lightweight, quick drying, and reusable. They save time, reduce waste, and keep your entire kitchen shining with minimal effort. A true everyday essential. Say goodbye to messy counters with this foldable hanging trash can. It clips right onto your cabinet door, making food prep quicker, cleaner, and way more convenient. Just scrape, drop, and keep going. No bending, no hassle. When you're done, fold it flat to save space. A simple upgrade that keeps your kitchen neat with zero effort. If even one of these kitchen gadgets made you think, I need this, then imagine what's coming next. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next batch of time-saving Amazon finds. Drop your favorite gadget number below. Your comments give me ideas for the next video.